Today I'm going to share some essential car maintenance tips that every car owner should know. Whether you're a new driver or a seasoned car enthusiast, these tips will help keep your vehicle running smoothly and save you some serious cash in the long run. First up, let's talk about oil changes. This is one of the simplest and most crucial maintenance tasks. Regular oil changes keep your engine lubricated, reduce wear and tear, and improve gas mileage. Check your owner's manual for the recommended oil change interval, but typically, it's every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Next, tire maintenance. Make sure your tires are properly inflated. Underinflated tires can reduce fuel efficiency and cause uneven wear. You can find the recommended tire pressure in your owner's manual or on a sticker inside the driver's door. Also, don't forget to rotate your tires every 6,000 to 8,000 miles to ensure even wear. Brakes are another critical component. Listen for any squeaking or grinding noises when you brake. These sounds can indicate worn brake pads or rotors. It's best to have your brakes inspected by a professional at least once a year. Now let's talk about fluid levels. Keep an eye on your coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Low fluid levels can lead to serious problems and expensive repairs down the road. Check these regularly and top them off as needed. Lastly, don't overlook your battery. Inspect it for any corrosion and ensure the connections are tight. Clean any buildup around the terminals and consider getting your battery tested annually to avoid unexpected breakdowns. Alright, that wraps up my essential car maintenance tips. By staying on top of these tasks, you can extend the life of your vehicle and enjoy a smoother, safer ride. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car care tips. Thanks for watching.